Wait, you might be thinking, 350 finance books? That's impossible. Well, I have done the heavy lifting, so you don't have to. In this video, I'll share 10 mind-blowing money secrets that will change the way you think about finance. 1. Understanding inflation. The impact of inflation on purchasing power is a common topic in financial literature, as it slowly but steadily affects our ability to buy things. The purchasing power of a dollar can change over time, meaning that what you can buy with it today may be different from what you can buy with it in the future. Preserving and growing wealth is a top priority for many investors. One strategy that has been recommended by Burton G. Malkiel in his book, A Random Walk Down Wall Street, is to invest in assets that can outpace inflation. This means choosing investments that have the potential to increase in value at a rate higher than the rate of inflation. By doing so, investors can ensure that their wealth not only keeps up with the rising cost of living, but also has the potential to grow over time. Understanding the concept of the time value of currency is crucial because the currency is an asset that loses value over time. It's important to recognize that both houses and the stock market tend to increase in value over time thanks to a phenomenon called inflation adjustment. In order to keep up with the rising cost of goods and services, it is essential to outpace inflation and ensure that your purchasing power remains intact. In the future, the value of retirement pensions and your retirement portfolio may change when it comes to purchasing goods and services. To protect yourself from the sneaky effects of inflation, it's wise to have assets that can act as a shield. After all, relying solely on paychecks to keep up with inflation can be quite a challenge. 2. Pay yourself first. When I read George S. Classen's The Richest Man in Babylon, I learned one thing no man would have ever opened my eyes to. In the past, I had a habit of prioritizing spending over saving, leaving me with very little left in my pocket. Once I delved into the pages of this timeless literary masterpiece, I found myself instinctively diverting a portion of my hard-earned money into a dedicated savings account right after receiving my paycheck. By making this small adjustment, I was able to consistently save money and establish a solid financial cushion. Developing the habit of saving money is crucial for achieving long-term financial security and overall well-being. A key secret to saving money like a pro is making sure to set aside a chunk of your hard-earned cash for savings before you start splurging on anything else. When you prioritize savings, you're making a commitment to regularly set aside money for the future. It can be tempting to spend all of your hard-earned money, but setting aside a portion for savings is a smart way to make sure you save consistently. As you embark on this journey, you'll soon discover a fascinating phenomenon. By diligently saving and investing, you'll not only become more financially resilient in the face of unexpected challenges, but you'll also set yourself up for a prosperous future filled with wealth and abundance. Developing this straightforward routine can unlock the door to your financial triumph and peace of mind, paving the way for a more promising and secure future for both you and your loved ones. Take charge of your financial destiny and prioritize your future by setting aside a portion of your income for savings. 3. Investing equals self-control. Although books are often seen as a source of knowledge, authors such as Benjamin Graham and Morgan Housel stress the importance of behavior in our lives. Making thoughtful choices, staying within a budget, and staying committed to investing, even when the market is down, are more important than having all the technical know-how. The key to personal finance lies in mastering the art of curbing your impulses, allowing you to spend less than what you earn. The key to successful trading and investing lies in your dedication to building a unique strategy that gives you an advantage, and then sticking to it with unwavering discipline for the long haul. Many individuals are aware of how to handle money and investments, yet they struggle to put their knowledge into action. 4. The power of positive thinking. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill wasn't just any other book to me. It helped shape me into what I am today. There is no doubt that we face problems daily, and most times we are left to face these problems alone. Positive thinking doesn't only help you out in hard situations, but gives you another view of life. Before now, I had always dreamed of starting my own business. I had a passion for baking, and a unique idea for a bakery that would combine traditional recipes with a modern twist. However, as I began researching and planning, doubts crept in. The challenges of entrepreneurship, the financial risks, and the competition in the food industry all weighed heavily on my mind. One day, I stumbled upon this book about the power of positive thinking. Inspired, I decided to adopt a positive mindset and put it to the test in my entrepreneurial journey. This wasn't an easy journey for me, but it was a big challenge that I accepted and got over. Instead of thinking, "This is impossible," I approached every challenge with the mindset of, "How can I overcome this?" This mindset produced creative solutions and a flexible approach to tackling all the challenges I faced. Positive thinking is not a mystical tool that can make all our problems vanish into thin air. Having the right mindset empowers you to confront challenges head-on, armed with confidence, resilience, and a dash of creativity. If you're ready to make a positive impact on your life, begin by embracing the incredible power of your thoughts and the endless options of opportunities that await you. 5. Playing both offense and defense. The book The Millionaire Next Door, written by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko, emphasizes the significance of not only earning money, which represents an attack, but also preserving money, which represents a defense. A faster pace of wealth building can be achieved by carefully monitoring spending, avoiding debt, and focusing on growing one's income. Finding a happy medium between the two is essential to one's financial well-being and success. Your capacity to amass money is directly proportional to the difference between your earnings and your expenditures. If you spend more money than you bring in, you will never be able to get out of debt. 6. Track every expense. Before I started reading the book, Your Money or Your Life, by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez, I had no idea where my hard-earned money was. By carefully keeping track of every single cost, I was able to find the places where I was spending too much without realizing it. This practice opened my eyes and helped me figure out how I was spending too much. It also gave me the power to put that money towards saving and making smart investments. Keeping a record of every single expense, no matter how tiny, is a smart financial habit that can give you a better grip on your money and enhance your overall financial health. Keeping track of your expenses gives you a clear idea of exactly where your hard-earned money is being spent. It helps uncover your spending habits, brings attention to areas where you may be overspending, and pinpoints opportunities for saving money. When you keep a close eye on every single expense, you unlock a whole new level of insight into your financial habits. This knowledge gives you the power to make well-informed choices about your money and take control of your financial future. This practice is both straightforward and incredibly impactful, offering the potential for enhanced financial management, increased savings, and a more stable financial future. To my neck in financial obligations, I used the debt snowball strategy, which involved paying off my smallest obligations first and then progressively working my way up to paying off my larger debts. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey inspired me to get out from under my financial obligations and provided me with a sense of satisfaction from a job well done. Here is how the debt snowball method works. Make a list of your debts. Make a list of all your debts, from smallest to biggest, with or without interest rates. Include the amounts on your credit cards, personal loans, and any bills that are still due. Minimum payments. To escape fees, keep making the minimum payments on all of your debts. Snowballing. Set aside any extra cash you have each month to pay off your smallest loan first. Once you've paid off that debt in full, add the money you are putting toward it to the minimum payment on your next to smallest bill. Repeat the process. Move from the smallest debt to the next one in this way until all of your bills are paid off. It works like a snowball. As you pay off one bill, you'll have more money to pay off the next one. 8. Live below your means. The Millionaire Next Door. Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko taught me about the importance of embracing a frugal lifestyle and steering clear of unnecessary expenditures. I successfully boosted my savings and made smart investments in assets that would increase in value by making the decision to reduce my spending on luxuries. The idea of living below your means is simple. You should spend less money than you make. You don't want to live a lavish life or push your budget to its limits. Instead, you want to always have money left over after paying all of your bills. Spending less means you have more money to save and invest. This will help you reach your financial goals, such as getting a house, retiring comfortably, or paying for your child's college. You can choose to live below your means, which can lead to a life of financial security and plenty. Being happy with what you have and realizing that smart money management is more important than spending more is the key to financial success. If you think this way, you can change your financial situation and make your future financially better and safer. 9. Build a scalable business. The Millionaire Fast Lane by MJ DeMarco made me understand that starting a business that can make you a lot of money over time is a faster way to get rich than getting a regular job. A lot of people who want to be entrepreneurs dream of making a business that can grow and do well. But the key to long-term success is making a business that can be scaled up. Scalability in business means being able to grow and change without having costs or resources go up in a straight line. A business that is scalable can grow while keeping or even lowering the costs that come with that growth. It's an important idea because it can lead to long-term success, revenue, and sustainability. Scalability makes it easy to quickly change to new market conditions, new technologies, and changing customer tastes in a business world that is always changing. Whether you're starting a new business, running a small one, or have been in business for a while, you need to think about growth when you're planning your business model. It's not enough to just grow. You need to build a business that can change with the times, come up with new ideas, and offer value. When you embrace flexibility, you're not just building a business, you're also leaving a lasting mark on the world of business. 10. Start early and automate savings. It took me longer than it should have before I began to save money and make investments. The Wealthy Barber. David Chilton laid emphasis on the significance of getting a head start and setting up my retirement accounts to receive automatic payments as early as possible. It has completely altered the course that my financial future will take. Time is a great thing to have because it uses the power of compound interest to help your money grow. When you use time, the money you make can create even more money, making a cycle of growth and prosperity for your finances. This effect becomes even stronger as you keep saving. Making it a habit to save money early and automatically is not just advice, it's the key to being financially successful. You are setting yourself up for a better financial future by doing these things. Imagine a world where your money can grow and your savings are an easy part of your daily life. Beginning this journey holds the promise of achieving financial security, achieving your goals, and living a life free from the stress of money worries. Starting your journey today will allow you to see how time and technology can work together to make your financial dreams come true. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content like this.